In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume profile. In NinjaTrader 8, by the end, you'll know how to add a standard volume profile to your chart and how to place a manual, range-based profile for focused analysis. First, open the chart you want to work with in NinjaTrader 8. On that chart, right-click anywhere in the plotting area to bring up the context menu, then select Indicators. This opens the Indicators window, which is where you add and configure all studies. In the list on the left, look for Order Flow Volume Profile. Double-click it to add it to your chart. Keep in mind this specific indicator requires the Order Flow Plus license. If you don't see it in the list, you may need that add-on enabled before continuing. Once the indicator is added, you'll see its settings on the right. Here's where you tailor how the profile behaves. Under the Profile mode, you'll typically choose between Session, Daily, or Custom. Session builds a profile for each trading session, so it resets when a new session begins. Great if you analyze intraday auction structure. Daily anchors to each calendar day, which is helpful for swing traders who want consistent day-by-day distributions. Custom lets you define a profile that aligns with a particular time window you specify, which can be useful if your trading plan follows specific market hours. While you're in Settings, take a moment to confirm the profile displays the information you need. Many traders like to visualize the point of control line, the price level with the most volume, as well as the value area. When you're happy with your choices, click OK. The volume profile will render on your chart, showing how traded volume is distributed across price levels. Zooming in or out can help you see the shape of the profile more clearly. Now, let's cover manual, specific range profiles, perfect for analyzing a move, a consolidation, or a news window. Use the drawing tool for this. Press Ctrl+3 to activate the volume profile drawing tool. Then, click and drag across the exact portion of the chart you want to analyze. When you release, NinjaTrader generates a profile for that selected range only. If you need to refine it, select the profile and adjust its start and end points by dragging the edges until the range matches your analysis. That's it. Use the built-in indicator for ongoing, session, or daily context, and the drawing tool when you need a targeted read on a particular move. Experiment with the different modes to match your workflow and keep your chart clean and purposeful.